I'm gonna miss you. I'm going to the Riviera with my friends. What are you looking at? You want Mommy to give you kisses? Here, let me give you hugs. Come over here by me. Yes, that's your ear. Man, you are beautiful. I love you, dog. I'll be home on Sunday. Yep. Yeah. And got you all set up, and you can sleep in Mommy's big giant bed. And I have all the stuffed babies. Where are you going? Oh, you want Mommy's bracelet. Is that what you want? Is the bracelet. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is it? Where are you going? Where are you going? Bye, I love you. See you soon.